In this section, we're going to show you how to now make the bottom pipes follow the top pipes. But two quick notes actually before then. Remember when you're doing these after every video to click the Save button up here at the top. Right. Additionally, when I was showing you these top pipes before, I had it messed up the order between these two lines of code. It should look like this, where first you wait the seconds and then you go to this X position. Because before they were popping in too early, so let me just show you now. If you click the enter, so you have your bird and he's flying, see how they pop up one by one. Before they were popping up too quickly, so this is how it should look. So now you see all the top pipes look really normal, nice and easy, and so now we need to make it so that the bottom pipes are following these guys, which is actually really, really easy. To do that, let's go to our original top pipe, and we're going to add two variables, because if we want our bottom pipes to follow our top pipes, that means that we want them to both be at the same X position, but there should be a difference in the Y position, so that the bottom pipe is lower than the top pipe. So let's try this out. Under your other part for the top pipe, not the when return is pressed, on the one that says on start, go to blah blah blah. After this, we're going to put this piece in that says forever after that. And then what we want to do is we want to move the bottom pipe, forever after this, we want to update two new variables. And we're going to call them X and Y. So we're going to add variable. We're going to call this X for all actors. And we're also going to add variable and call it Y for all actors. And X and Y for us are just going to keep track of where the top pipe is currently. To do that, we're going to have these two lines of codes that forever after you start, we set X and Y equal to the current X position and the current Y position. We didn't actually need these, so we can put these in the trash. So what does this code say? Well, when we click the start button, we're first going to move the top pipe to X equals 500, Y equals 0 off the screen. And forever after that, we're going to have these two variables X and Y, which we're going to always set equal to where the top pipe's X position and Y position is on the screen. Why do we do that? Well, so that for the bottom pipe, we can do the same thing that on start. Originally, we can start it moving to the far right, where basically when we click the on start button, we can just have the bottom pipe follow the top pipe throughout the rest of the simulation. The way we can do that, or the game, the way we can do that is by adding a loop that says forever, and then saying set go to X equals, and then we always want it to have the same X value as the top pipe, so you can go to variables X. And then for the Y position, we're going to say, since the bottom pipe has to be below the top pipe, let's say that we want to set the Y position to the Y position of the top pipe, but then minus, let's say, 100. And let's watch what happens. So let's say minus 300. Oops. So minus and then 300. Okay. So let's watch what this does. So we click go, and we notice that that first bottom pipe now jumps to the side of the screen, because that's where the top pipe is. Now if we click enter, now you see that the bottom pipe is following the top pipe, but we didn't make the difference between them large enough yet. So let's now make this, instead of 300, 500. Let's see what happens. So if we click go again, and click the enter button, the bird starts to fall, and now look, the bottom pipe is moving exactly with the top pipe. We want to repeat this for the other three pipes, which I'm going to show you, which you guys could probably do on your own, but I'll give you an extra walkthrough of how to do this in the next video.